Today we are talking about something super simple, but honestly, kind of magical. The B-roll quick cut technique. This is one of those things that looks super pro, but once you understand it, it's super easy to do. And it's one of the fastest ways to make a video feel more fun, more cinematic, and just way less boring. Quick cut B-roll is basically when you show a bunch of short, fast clips, like bam, 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 little shots, bam, bam, bam. It's perfect when you want to show something, but you don't want a whole movie scene of it. Like nobody needs a 12-second shot of a coffee cup. Unless you are like a coffee YouTuber. And if you are, respect. So why does this work? Attention span these days are like this small. If people see movement, they stay interested. When you hit the viewer with quick punchy shots, it creates a tempo that feels energetic. You can show a whole process, packing a bag, setting up a camera, exploring a city in just a few seconds. Alright, so when should you actually use this? So if you're going from one place to another, just shoot quick clips. Or when you're explaining something or doing a product showcase. If I want to do a video about this camera, I can cut in some fast shots of the bag, the zippers, the camera, scrolling through the settings. It's perfect when you want to cover boring actions quickly. Things like packing gear, making coffee, walking to a location, setting up a tripod. These aren't interesting in real time, but chopped up, they're legit. So the key is to keep the clips short. And if it feels too short, it's perfect. Sometimes you also want to include transition between the clips. And that's something you can easily get with just moving the camera. So if I want to start with this building here, I just point the camera and then move it fast sideways. I can do that even faster. Freaking cool. Alright, let's move on to the next building. So for the next clip, I want this building here. And instead of just pointing the camera directly at the building, I'm gonna move the camera in the same direction I did earlier. So I can start from about here and then... So you will get some natural blur effect. And what you do then is that you cut in the middle of the blur, put the clips together, and you get a smooth transition from the first clip to the next one. It's also important that you shoot more than you think you need. A 10-second sequence might need 12 to 15 tiny shots. So overshoot, you will thank yourself later. And don't sleep on sound effects. Even a little can make a clip feel 10 times better. There are a few things that you should try to avoid. Number 1, making every clip the same angle. If all your shots are eye-level medium shots, it's gonna look flat. Mix it up with different angles. Mistake number 2. If your quick cuts are like 3 seconds each, that's not quick shots, that's just cuts. Mistake number 3. That's by overdoing it. You don't want every part to look like an intense movie trailer. Instead, just let it be a part of your video. If you're putting stuff in a bag, if you're making coffee, quick shots. That's the quick cut B-roll technique. Super simple, super powerful, and it makes your video feel way more cinematic. I hope you find this video helpful. Hit like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!